you know? No, 1 minute, I will tell you. Yeah. These lesser flamingos are vegetarian, they are eating algae. And crustaceans also. Crustaceans to digest the food, because after eating the crustaceans, it crushes the food in their stomach. So they have to eat crustaceans, like shells, small shells. But the greater flamingos, they are non-vegetarian. They are eating shrimps, scales, then little crabs, and small fish, larvae, and they have to eat algae. Otherwise, if they will not eat algae, they will not get the color. To get the color, to gain the color, they have to eat the algae. And in the month of April and May, they get the color. After consuming the high quantity of algae, they turn pink. And thereafter, it's a time of mating in month of May. So the mating is done over here only, and then in the month of June, means when the monsoon is coming, at that time they are going to Run of Kutch, and then the mating is for, and then they build the nest over there.
They lay their eggs over there.
How the nest is, nest is like a volcano mountain. It is on the mud slot, not on the tree. And one bird gives one egg in a year. The lesser flamingo egg is 120 grams. The greater flamingo egg is 140 to 60 grams. So when the egg is hatched, after 30 to 31 days, chicks are coming out. The greater flamingo chicks are with their parents only for 10 to 11 days. So in that 11 days, their parents give some sound to them, and then they return to their country. Means they are the migratory birds, so they are not staying here. So they go to their migration, take the migration at that time, because the winds are blowing towards their country. And the lesser flamingos are taking care. So because of the monsoon, there are a lot of fish also laying eggs, and they get the larvae of fish to eat, because they are non-vegetarian. I told you first only, greater flamingos are non-vegetarian. So their chicks are eating the larvae of fish, and then they get nice body. And in 2 or 3 after 3-4 months, means in August and September, October, November, at that time they start coming over here. But they come mostly in November. So when they come here, at that time they bring all the chicks with them. And in February, the greater flamingos are back. January and February. At that time, they give the sound which they have given to the little ones. And the little ones are turning to the parents. And how they do the migration? Because we are having one slide, they are having 2 slides. So they go 30,000 meters high, and then they
30,000.
Yeah, where the winds are blowing 400 to 600 km per hour. There they glide. They make a V formation. First one cuts the winds, and other one are gliding. This way they go on. But at the time of gliding, when they want to rest, they are having a 2 slide. One is going this way, one is coming down. So they can shut down their half body if they put the slide. So they put the slide of one side and they go on gliding, and one side is walking. This way they do the migration. 700 rupees.